Welcome everyone to the Additive Guru channel, where we share research, reviews of equipment, materials, and techniques regarding additive manufacturing, otherwise known as 3D printing. My name is Eric Wolderidge, professional engineer, architect, and professor at Somerset Community College, located in the beautiful regions of South Central Kentucky. Our work is funded by the National Science Foundation, the USDA Rural Development Program, and other private sources that are interested in the accelerated use of additive manufacturing technology across the world. So thanks for joining us, and we welcome you to check out videos on everything 3D printing has to offer. We hope you find lots of useful information on the techniques and research that can make additive manufacturing work for you. And check out our social media accounts where we post lots of useful information on the technology as well. Happy viewing!